8 plus 5 and 8 plus x. Which one has an answer? 8 plus 5 is what? 13. 8 plus s, you don't know. So definitely 8 plus 5 has an answer. 8 plus x does not have an answer. So it is waiting. So the one that is waiting, 8 plus s, is called algebraic expression. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Uncle Adeniyi, your favorite teacher. So today we'll be talking about algebraic expression. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to understand directed algebraic terms and how to remove brackets correctly in algebraic expression. And also, I will teach you how to expand simple algebraic terms. Directed algebraic terms. Directed algebraic terms contains positive sign, plus, which is plus, positive sign, and it also contains negative sign, which is minus. As you can see, this is positive sign, this is negative sign. So there are rules that you need to observe whenever you are solving directed algebraic terms. Like this is plus s plus s. You see, whenever you have this positive sign, there's something that you need to understand. Positive sign means, like something that belongs to you. Positive. It belongs to you. Use that trick. Positive means it belongs to you. While negative means you are owing somebody. Do you understand? Positive means it belongs to you. It's your money. You understand? Let's use money. It's your money. While negative means you are owing somebody. Do you understand? So it means it does not belong to you. Now, use that trick for this thing. Plus x plus x. This is plus x. That means it is yours plus x. Then you have another plus x here. So when you say plus x, which is 1, another plus x, which is 2, right? So plus x plus x will give you what? 2x, right? It will give you 2x. Because you have plus x here. This is 1x, then another 1x here. So plus x, which is yours, this one plus x is also yours. So you're having like 2x that is for you now. So look at the second one. This one is plus x. This one is yours. That is, you're having 1x. There is 1 here, but you might not see it. It is invisible. You understand? It means you can say plus 1x or you can say plus x. Do you understand? You can say plus 1x or plus s. There is 1 there, but it is invisible. You understand? As a mathematician, you don't need to be writing plus 1x. I don't know if you get. You don't need to be writing plus 1s. No, just write your plus x. So this plus x minus x plus x is yours. Then this is minus x. It means you are owing somebody. So how much will now be left with you? Plus x, 1x. Plus 1x, then minus 1x. You have 1x. You are owing another person 1x. So what will now belongs to you? That means you don't have anything, because the 1s you have, you will give it out to the person you are owing, because you are owing somebody that 1x. So it will be what? 0. Right? 0. So this one, minus x. You are owing somebody 1x. You are owing another person 1x. So what do you now have? That means you don't have anything, but you are owing, except that you are owing somebody 2x. You are owing somebody 1x here. You're owing another person 1x here. Do you understand? So altogether, what are you having? Nothing, but you are owing somebody 2x. Right? You are owing people 2x. So that is it. So those are the rules that you need to understand. So whenever you see plus, you should know that it is for you. Whenever you see negative, you know that you are owing, like debt. Do you get it now? So that is it. Example now. 5x minus 3x. So you're having 5 naira, like 5x. Do you understand? And you're owing somebody minus 3x. This minus is you are owing. This 5s plus 5s is your own. So you are owing somebody minus 3x. And you are having 5s. So what will be left with you? 2x, right? Do you understand? Now, I know I told you that the trick there is 5x is yours minus 3x is debt. Do you get it? So that is it. So you have 5x and you are owing somebody minus 3x, which is, so what will now be left with you is 2x. The second question says minus 4a plus 6a. Minus 4a, this is debt, right? Plus 6a is yours. So what will now be left? So if you are owing somebody 4a and you have 6a with you, what will be left with you? You have 2a. Thank you. Right? So now, this is 7y minus 10y. 7y, that is plus 7y. It is yours. Minus 10y, it is debt. So when you say you are owing somebody 10y minus 10y, and you have 7y with you. So what will now be left? So that means you are still owing that person. When you pay that 7y, you are still owing that person 3y. Do you understand? Because you are owing that person 10y and you have 7y with you. If you pay the 7y, you are still owing that person now because your 7 is not up to 10. Do you understand? So it is minus 3y, which means you are owing that person 3y. So this is minus 3z plus 4z. Minus 3z minus 3z. So you are owing somebody 3z and you are owing another person 4z. Do you understand? So how much are you owing to all together? Minus 3z minus 4z, which will be what? Minus 7z. Do you understand? So that is it.